This is a new 24 volt Kobalt 4 amp battery, fully charged. I'm going to cut all these boards right here. We'll see how it does. I haven't used it. Well, I used it a little bit yesterday, but battery's about dead, so we'll try it right here and see how it works. I haven't set it or anything, so let's go. I must say it cuts extremely good. I don't know why it cuts so good. Maybe it's because, well, the blade looks very thin. Maybe that's got something to do with it. They're extremely sharp. Yeah, cuts good, real good. I'm surprised. Yeah, hitting the wall there, but I'm very well satisfied with it. $124, I think, for the saw, bare saw. Blows. $50 for the battery, and I think $40 for the charger. Probably a little on the high side, but here's an Allen's wrench. I didn't know that was on there. But, you know, pretty handy not having a cord. Anyway, that's my review on the Kobalt 24 volt battery powered circular saw. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.